Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on a 68 plate Mazda 3 Sport Navigation. This is the 2-litre petrol with fully automatic gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Sol Red metallic, and it's covered just 28,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this fantastic looking automatic petrol Mazda 3. It's the one to have. September 2018 registered, 28,000 miles, 2 former keepers in this fabulous Sol Red. Excellent service history. We've got 5 recorded services right the way through its life. We've got these cracking looking 18-inch silver alloy wheels that have just been refurbished for sale. Twin tailpipes at the back. Certainly one of our favourite 5-door hatchbacks, the Mazda 3s. Absolutely brilliant in the petrol form. Very sensible running costs. £190 a year to tax. Good fuel, good on fuel. Around 50 according to the manufacturer. They're really good looking and they always come extremely well appointed. This is the Sport Navigation. So even more so, you've got those alloy wheels, you've got the wonderful colour. Oh, keyless entry. Nice cloth interior, all in really good condition. Front seats are heated with 3 different heating options. Remote locking, it comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got Bose speakers, which is nice. Original Mazda 3 carpet mats. You've got front and rear parking sensors which you can switch off. You've got start-stop facility which you can switch off as well. Up onto the steering wheel, which is in really good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control. You've got flappy paddles if you want to do the automatic gearbox in a manual sort of racing fashion. Bluetooth and radio controls. Then you've got a leather centre armrest, a couple of cup holders under there, electronic handbrake. You've got controls for your iDrive system, which is up at the top, which we'll come to shortly. There's your auto gearbox. You've got some different driving modes, sport mode and so on. CD player and some storage down below. Push button start, so foot on the brake. And away we go. This is the 2-litre petrol with a timing chain engine, exceptionally reliable. 26,500 miles. I kept saying 28, didn't I, at the start? It's 26.5, sorry. We've got a head-up display, which gives you your speed, as well as down here, so that's a really nice touch. And then down to your climate controls, so it's dual zone climate. Then you've got your heated seats at the top. All your handbooks, locking wheel nut keys in the glove box, and then up to the screen above. Sorry, I'm battling with the sun this afternoon. And you control it through this iDrive system here. So you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. You've got satellite navigation, which is built in. Along with those parking sensors, you've also got a reversing camera at the back, which is a nice touch. And it's also got dash cams front and rear as well, which come with the car, which is always nice. So, really nice setup, easy to use. Obviously, you've got that 5-door practicality. And then into the back again, you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the rear. Then 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats. You've got a fold-down centre armrest with a couple of cup holders as well. So it's a really comfortable, spacious 5-seater, akin to the Ford Focus. Personally, I prefer these. I just think they're a better looking car. Into the boot space, split folding rear seats. You've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then you've got this fantastic load space. Really good size. It's got a rubber Mazda load cover that does lift up to give you the carpet underneath. As you can see, all in pretty much perfect condition. And then underneath that you've got your compressor and all your bits and bobs. And there we have it. September 2018 Mazda 3 Sport Nav. It's the 2-litre petrol with the fully automatic gearbox. 26,000 miles, 5 services, heated seats, sat nav, reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, all the nice stuff. and obviously finished in this wonderful Soul Red. Finance is available from £270 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always really popular cars with us on the used market. It looks the part. I'm sure it'll be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.